First, open Veo AI through the supported Google AI video generation interface. To control camera angles, start by deciding what you want the viewer to focus on in each scene. Choose the camera position before writing your prompt. For example, a wide shot can show the entire environment, while a medium shot can focus on the character, and a close-up can highlight facial expressions or important details. Next, describe the camera angle clearly in your Veo AI prompt. You can use descriptions such as eye level, low angle, high angle, overhead, close-up, wide shot, or over the shoulder when appropriate. Also explain what the subject is doing while the camera captures the scene. For example, you could describe a character standing in a futuristic city while the camera starts with a wide establishing shot and then moves closer to the character with a smooth cinematic push-in. After generating the video, review the composition carefully. Check whether the subject is positioned correctly and whether the camera is showing the important part of the scene. If the camera angle is incorrect, simplify the prompt and focus specifically on the camera position and movement. You can also experiment with different perspectives. A low-angle shot can make a subject appear powerful, while a high-angle shot can create a more vulnerable or dramatic feeling. An over-the-shoulder shot can make a conversation feel more immersive, while a close-up can emphasize emotion. For action scenes, combine camera angles carefully rather than changing the perspective randomly. When creating multiple scenes, maintain a consistent visual language so the camera choices feel intentional. Generate several variations when necessary and choose the version with the strongest composition. Finally, combine your selected clips in a video editor